Hello and welcome to Blythe Business News. Today I'm joined by Möbius, who is Chief Executive Officer of Southern Cross Britannia, a lithium operator in Argentina. Christian, it's the first time on the program. Welcome. Can you quickly give the viewers, an overview of Southern Cross Britannia and the lithium project, please?
Yes, hi, good morning, Tim. Southern Cross Britannia is a company that was founded 2018 with a view to profit from the renewable energy transition and the move towards electric mobility. And with that, against that backdrop, we ventured out to generate prospects in a very underexplored jurisdiction, Argentina, a jurisdiction that still has potential for world-class discoveries.
Okay, thank you for that overview. Now, as you say, you're in Argentina, which I'm reading in the media this week, has apparently got something like 60% of the world's lithium. So that's a good place to be. Now, on your project, you're working with a guy called Mike Roscoe from Montgomery and Associates. He's working with you on the NI 43-101 report. What's the significance of his involvement? What's he going to bring to the project?
Yes, we have commissioned Montgomery and Associates, a very renowned consultancy, to write a NI 43-101 compliant competent persons report on our project. Montgomery and Associates have a wealth of experience and have written these reports for a number of very high profile projects in the region, which went on to be very, very successful projects. So this is significant. We expect this to be completed before the end of this year. It will be a qualitative assessment on the potential. It won't include maiden mineral resource reserves because we're yet to drill the project, and that will be next year. But it will give a qualitative overview of the quality of the project.
You've had a couple of surveys conducted recently, which have highlighted the significant low resistivity brines you have at the project. Just explain in layman's terms for the viewers' benefit what this means, how it translates into Southern Cross Britannia's lithium production potential.
Yeah, absolutely. We have acquired over the course of 6 weeks over 40 line kilometers of resistivity survey. They do show what we have expected all along, namely that there are brines in the subsurface. And so on the back of that, we are now writing the competent persons report and drilling it next year.
Well, yeah, you said you've got a drilling program coming up in 2024, and that's going to give you further insight. Can you share your early expectations regarding the drilling? What are you hoping for?
Well, the base case that we're pinning this whole project on is the direct neighbor to the north, which is situated in the same topographic situation, in the same geologic situation, and by that I mean a valley which is infilled by volcanic ash. That project has been drilled. It's a project called Candelas, operated by Galan Lithium of Australia, and that was a stonking success. It's got an NPV, a post-tax NPV of $660 million, and it's only 240 square kilometers in size, which is less than half our surface. So that's the base case. Of course, we will know the exact lithium concentration and economics once we've drilled it.
As you said, you're in a fabulous location in the wonderfully named Hombre Muerto Basin. I think it's Dead Man Basin, a great name for a location.
Yeah.
And you're surrounded by interesting companies which have reported significant post-tax net present value. Can you discuss your project's potential based on some of those benchmarks?
Yeah, we are in, let's say, the hotspot the eye of the tornado, if you will, of lithium brine projects in Argentina. The Hombre Muerto Basin was the first basin to attract projects because it has the best lithium brine geochemistry, so the highest lithium concentrations. It's got the lowest impurities, it's got the lowest magnesium to lithium ratio. So overall, the brines that drive the lowest OPEX of all basins in Argentina. And so we're benefiting from these projects being more advanced than any other. There is production coming out of the Hombre Muerto Basin already, and it's the one it's the basin with the most infrastructure in there. There's a gas pipeline there. There's 3 landing strips at the moment operated by the 3 major companies there. So we're in a very, very good place in terms of real estate, if you will.
Okay, but the real estate, you said, it's right in the center of a tremendous location. How does this position Southern Cross Britannia compared to other lithium projects globally?
Well, very well, I'd say, upper quartile on the face of it, because these projects in this part of the world, particularly in the Hombre Muerto Basin, due to their very low OPEX, these projects sit in the upper quartile and the lowest quartile producing lithium projects worldwide. And there's increasingly a scenario where, well, there are a lot of lithium projects out there at the moment. As with any other market, when the market's good, suddenly there's a million projects. But it's important here to remember that when the prices of lithium go down, if and when they come down, it'll be the higher cost producers that are bitten first, and we won't be affected by that simply because we're in a part of the world where you have the lowest quartile operating cost.
Christian, thank you so much for that update, and please come back and keep the viewers informed on your progress. That was Christian Möbius, Chief Executive of Southern Cross Britannia, telling us about his lithium brine project in Argentina. If you want more information, you can find it on the company's website, which is www.southerncrossbritannia.com. That's it for this edition of Blythe Ray Business News. Thanks for watching.